Stick a sponge pad inside the bracket. Then the bracket is assembled back. The screws do not need to be locked. Clip the bracket to the luggage rack. The screws do not need to be locked first. Wipe the surface of the ladder bracket with a towel. Apply adhesive aid. Tear off the double-sided tape and stick it on. Wipe the surface of the car with a towel. Apply adhesive aid. Tear off the double-sided tape on the other side of the bracket. Put the bracket on the right position. Two screws at the bottom of the mounting bracket. Just screw it on. No need to lock. Then adjust the position of the two small brackets. Correct the ladder hole position. Tighten the bracket screws after adjustment. Just tighten the two connecting screws. Finally, adjust the bottom position. Just lock the two screws.